Hi everyone, it's Debbie from wonderplaydiscover.com, and today we're going to be showing you how to make some sensory squeeze toys. So think of these like as your stress balls that you use in the classroom for kids. Lots of occupational therapists use such fidget toys for children, and all that we've done is used some balloons, some water beads to create these toys. And if you have a really good peek, they're really durable. My little one has been playing with them probably for 2 days now, and they haven't burst. So we're going to show you the steps on how to make these today. Enjoy.